Let's see the temperature and the bottles. After 30 minutes, all iced, and the ice creams. You can see the bottle. And the thick bottom is 0.5 millimeter, and the boiled water 100 degrees. Let's testing. Let's see how it stands with the boiled water after the iced in the refrigerator. And testing the leaking proof. A little bit hot. The bottom, all good, no breaking, safe. And the bottle body, safe. The leaking proof, good. No problem. And it's very clear, safe, good working. With the sudden temperature changing from minus 16 degrees to 100 degrees. And now put it in the refrigerator for 4 degrees. Get it inside and see you tomorrow morning.